know what the healthiest cut of chicken is? It's chicken breast. Yes, animal fat is good for us. Animal fat is essential for us. But if we're eating animal fat of animals that were fed unhealthy ingredients, then we need to not be having the fatty cuts of those animals. The reason being is because chickens especially are fed crap. They're fed soy and grains and all sorts of awful ingredients. Even organic, they're still fed stuff that we shouldn't be eating. The animal eats it, it becomes really condensed in their fat. And then their fat is really high in omega-6s, which is not great. So the key with those sorts of animals that are fed grains and other sorts of icky ingredients is to go the leanest cuts possible. This isn't to say you need to do that every day of the week. I have a whole roast chook every week. I love the crispy skin. It's delicious. I'll never give that up. For the most part, I consume the chicken breast, sometimes chicken thigh, but I still cut off a lot of the fat because that's going to be healthier. It's just the muscle meat then. A really, really easy, simple way to use chicken breast is to cut it up into cubes, fry it up on the pan with a little bit of ghee or really good quality animal fat, because then you're getting the good omega-3s from that animal fat and not missing out. When you're having lean meats, it's important to add good quality fat with it. In a fry pan, I'm adding a little bit of ghee. It's on about a medium heat at the moment. And throw in the diced chicken breast, along with some chopped up garlic. So let that cook, get it brown on all the edges, make sure the garlic doesn't burn. And while that's cooking, I've also got a pot of boiling water with some chopped up carrot, pumpkin that's peeled. That's going to turn into veggie mash to go alongside my chicken and garlic with coconut amino for a delicious and easy lunch. Once some of the chicken is browning, turn the temperature down, give it a good stir, and then add in the coconut amino. You can get this from the supermarket. It's a good replacement for soy sauce because it's actually healthy. Probably about 2 tablespoons there. Turn the heat right down. Let it simmer. Let that flavor infuse into the chicken. Delicious. Gee, it smells good. Veggies are finally cooked. Time to strain them, blitz them, eat them. Strain them in the sink, pop them back in the saucepan that they were in. Get your stick blender ready. I'm adding a little bit of ghee, not too much. Pour some pink mineral salt as well. Blitz it up. Serve that up onto a plate. I just spread the mash out. Place the chicken pieces on top. The soy and garlic is all sticky and thick and yummy. Doesn't have to look amazing. This is going to just go straight into my tummy. And there you have it. A really healthy, easy, quick meal with the healthiest cut of chicken when you're eating chicken.